What's up, guys? I have another video. Just this right here. I want to install this right here. Take out the cigarette lighter because I don't smoke cigarettes. So this is supposedly it's a fast charger. 2 USB-Cs and USB. I got this off of Amazon. Overnighted. It was like $15. I mean, it looks really simple. You know what I mean? I do plan on keeping the fuse in line, so I am gonna cut it after the fuse, because this you're supposed to connect it to like the battery, but I don't want to connect it to the battery. I want to have it controlled. So after the fuse, I'm just gonna cut it right here, and then I'll splice it onto the cigarette lighter little harness in the back. I had to cut this because I had to use it for something to tie something down. But this is your ground and this is your power. I already about to take this off. It was 3. I think they're T15s. I want to say it's right here on the impact. It's a real tiny one. So you got one right here. You got another one down here, another one down here. You can see it. It's like about right here somewhere. About here it is. You got one there, and then the other one's about somewhere here. It looks like it's about ready to come out once you take out the 3. So there you go. Okay, so now I'm going to disconnect this. I need to find out how to take it off, but I'll get back to you. So take this off, take everything off. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to make the hole bigger, drill it out a little. And I got the get the unit bit right now, so it can fit in, so it can look factory stock. Believe it or not, I do have this tape, the cloth tape from GM. I don't know why they use cloth tape, but you know, I'm not gonna argue with that. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Okay, so I turned it onto the side, and you just push it and pull it out. I think I'm gonna disconnect this if I do want to work on it. This is a 12 volt. I'm sorry, a 15 amp receptacle, and your cigarette lighter. Okay, so let me just figure this out. There's like a little hook right here. Oh, okay, I see it. So, yeah. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this off too. Okay, so it's off. So to disconnect these little ones, where is it? Right here, you have like a little tab. And what I used was this little flathead from steel for my weed eater carburetor. All I did was just press it, compress, and pull. It's not that I have the thing here. Now I got to take this thing out, measure it, and put it back together. Okay, so I figured it out. So it's like this, right? You see these little squares on top, and the little one on the bottom right here. So with the same little flathead, I pressed it inward, and at the same time I had it this way so that it won't lock back in. And then I did the other side also through the inside and put it, and you pull out, and it all comes in one piece. Yeah, so it's not gonna fit. Yeah. Alright, trying to bust out the uni bit. Just, just take it slowly at a time. You don't have to like go full blast or anything. Okay, so I already trimmed it out a little bit. Like I said, don't go fucking crazy on it. You just need it to go in, and that way the faceplate right here sits flush, and that's it. Then you take your lock ring and just screw it on. Just make sure it's aligned before you tighten it, because you don't want it to look all crooked and then have to do this shit again. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. I got on my 04 and the Malibu. That's what I did. It's nice. It's actually nice. It's a button that's to power on and then power off. It's controlled. Okay, now I gotta get into this harness. I was thinking of just cutting it off and then just run it. I do have the tape. Let's see. Here's the tape. Got off of Temu. It's the same shit. Alright, let me get into the harness, and then I'll start making the connections. Let me tighten this down, and I'll bring it back. Okay, so I finished the connections. The red is your positive, the black is negative. I did use that tape to keep it, factory looking. It's already connected to the back. And I did pull out the fuse because I didn't want to pop it out. I'm pretty sure each of these fuses are like 10-15 bucks. So the fuse you're looking for the cigarette lighter is number 115. Just pull it out from your door panel, and trust me, when you pull this thing out, it feels like you're gonna fucking break it. It's horrible design. Okay, so I haven't tested it. I wanted to, check it in video. So it's off right now. Let me push this little button. It should light up, and it's on. So we have power, no power, power. It's controlled. Oh my goodness, that's nice, and it does look good. Okay, time to put it back in. Tuck in these wires. Oh shoot, I need to reconnect these, and I'll give you an after shot after I'm done. Okay guys, I'm done. I'm in a rush because I'm gonna go to my girlfriend's house. Okay, so it's already back in, and that looks pretty good. Just flip it open and it's off. Push the button and you have power. That looks good. I like it. It's real simple to install. Just takes a couple minutes, and to know your positive and negative. It is not. It's polar sensitive, so you have to do it the right way. If not, you're gonna short it out, blow out the fuse. But from over here, it looks good. Look at that. Almost looks factory. Just wish it was square, but circle would do. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you.